So we're leaving Castelmezzano, walking through the narrow streets of Castelmezzano, you know, going up and down stairs. Makes you wonder of the medieval ages when this place, I guess, was constructed as a castle, nestled in the top of the Dolomitas up here.
Bellissimo.
Bellissimo.
Turn right onto Strada Interboderale Santa Croce Camastra.
Okay, so we gotta turn right, so we gotta make sure we listen. Now we're gonna go to Banulo
Continue for 8 kilometers.
to get some mozzarella di bufala. So we'll catch you later, guys. Unfortunately, when we got to Banulo, it was raining, so we didn't get to film the location and take many pictures, but we did manage to go into the restaurant and try their famous mozzarella di bufala.
Caught behind Venetian blinds, out of reach for the city line.
And our next stop, the Amalfi coast.
This ain't where I belong. Hey, look at me, man, what I become. I've been running east, looking for a sunset, digging deep since 9/9. What I thought was gone was sitting in my pocket in plain sight all along. I think it's time for me to go, burn all bridges. All I know, I got lost along the way, fell between the foam, pulling stitches. Time to let go.
Just got to Amalfi coast. This is the room we're staying in. It's a nice room, nice little room. Then we have a little balcony, so I'll show you guys the view.
Don't look before you leave. What you give, you get to keep. So long, farewell, bye-bye. Let's have a toast for those lost old eyes. And my crooked little heart that seems so rebellious is falling apart right now. I'm bleeding.
So the sun decided to come up and greet us. First afternoon here in Amalfi was raining, so we were worried we were not gonna have it nice, but the sun came out. So show me Amalfi. Ooh. It's beautiful. The sun came out. It looks
All I know, I got lost along the way, fell between the fold, pulling stitches. Time to let go, so come one may.
We are climbing stairs to the cemetery in Amalfi. So apparently the view from up there is beautiful. Uncle Jimmy did warn us about Italians at lunchtime, and unfortunately the cemetery was closed by the time we got there, but we did get to enjoy nice views from the top. Positano. It's a 400-meter walk to the hotel. Hopefully it's downhill, so see you at the hotel. Upstairs we go. Casa Albertina, here we go. That's it, we're here. All right, we made it.
Welcome. Check out this beautiful view.
This is the view we're getting here in Positano. It is beautiful.
Like a bullet, won't take no. You should know, no. I'm about to explode.
I like that video because I can see you have the energy.
He's dying, by the way.
So I've been told that I should fold and give in. I can't win in this game, no. But you can hear me laughing. I'm the new thing in this field. You should kneel instead of me now. Yeah, I rose up from the dead. Your words inside my head. All the odds were against me. But now I lead ahead with grace. I'm winning this race. You need some space. I'm a movement and I ain't losing. Gonna go. Like a bullet, don't take no. You should know, no. I'm about to explode.
Let's go. All right, I just went in the water, testing it first. So now I'm gonna go with you guys for a little dip. Let's go. And walking on this rock is hard. Guys, it's like a foot massage, but a painful one. There's a little shore break action going on, and it goes deep right away. But it's really, really cool. Here we go, into the water. Nice cold Positano water. Alright, see what happens? Murphy's Law. Now I'm outside of the water and the sun decided to come out. But it's okay, Positano. We'll see you again. Alright. Last morning in Positano. We're gonna head back to the hotel, get our packs ready and head to Napoli. Ciao. So we left Positano, we passed by Sorrento. Now we're leaving Sorrento, heading to Napoli. That right there is Mount Vesuvius. Hopefully we get soon to Napoli to eat some pizza.
I think you're wired just fine, babe. But your mind works in a different way. You're taking.
Walking in Napoli. I'm gonna see if I find some beautiful girls around. Oh, mira, una bella ragazza. Ciao, bella.
It's the fear to get afflicted, but nothing worries me. We are on the run and beautiful flight. Don't be afraid, I'm the one. We are better than that. Your touch sets the universe on fire.
Napoli piccolo de pistachio.
Enjoy. How is it?
Buonissimo.
Buonissimo.
Oh my god, look at this view.
Your hands are tied. It's a relief.
By the way, we are doing a picnic inside our B&B today. We are so exhausted right now.
we're tired.
We're tired. This meal is, I think, is the best. Like for like prosciutto, they call crudo, and it's like prosciutto, salami, cheese. Like this is
Pecorino romano.
pecorino, and this is eggplant.
olive
I
oil.
forgot the name in Italian, but
We're gonna call an early night because we're waking up really early tomorrow for a flight to try and get Napoli before everybody else goes out to the street because there's a lot of people in the street.
super crowded.
I'm
but
not sure
it's
how this
beautiful.
is in summer.
Yeah, we don't know, but it actually is beautiful. You need to come to see it.
It is very windy, so I don't know if you can hear us, but yeah, this is from a viewpoint up here in a castle. Doing a little time lapse. It's very, very windy.